Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add affiliate links to your Wix website. Now the first thing you need to do guys, of course, is to select which website you want to add the affiliate link to. So after you select the website guys, this is very quick and easy. All you have to do, you want to click on add apps, as you can see in the left, and then after that you want to just search for affiliate. Now after you search guys for affiliate, you want to click enter. It will take you directly to these apps. You are going to see these apps. Now what you need to do guys, you want to click on Amazon. Like, by the way, if you have let me go back so they can show you, because some people, they don't have affiliate links from Amazon. Like if you have affiliate link from another website, click on simple affiliate. But if you are partnered with Amazon affiliate program, click on Amazon. Okay, now you want to click on install, and then after this blue, after you click on install, it will show you, like it will take you directly like this. Now what you want to do guys, you want to like copy the affiliate link first. Like for example, a lot of people use affiliates, like to use Amazon.com associate. Like you can just sign up and then you are going to get the affiliate link so that you can earn the commission whenever someone buys something through your link. Now you want to click on the, you want to click 2 times, or you want to click on the product and click in the here. You want to click here and then click settings and then click add items. Let me copy a random link right now. Now after you click on copy, after you click on add items, click again on add items. Here you have to copy the affiliate link here. Now I'm going to copy a random product, for example this one. You just want to copy list. I'm sorry, it's not copy, it's pasting. You have to copy the link here. You have to paste the link here and then click search. And then click this icon here, check mark, then click on save. And that's all you need to do guys to add affiliate link to your Wix. If you want to add affiliate link without the product like this, you don't want the product to be shown, you can add it through text by clicking the video in the screen. But before do that, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.